and you can just pay to get on the phone and they'll give you the money. You're giving away sometimes 30–40% of your winnings that have already been taken off you once, unless you have a problem.
What's that there, Millie?
80% of people know your claims management.
People might sit there and go, I think that's me, I'm self-employed, I've got one of those, maybe I'm...
If you have a loan or credit card, check. If you have a loan or credit card, full stop.
So you've got your tips for reclaiming. So first thing you do is check your policy.
Well, yeah, absolutely. Check your policy, see whether you have payment protection insurance on it. One of the great problems with this scandal is many people don't even know they have the policy because it was added without asking, so they can't. Very good job to encourage people to claim that way. Once you've checked your policy, the next thing to do, if you feel you were missold, is contact the bank on the phone. If that doesn't work, write them a letter. There's free template letters on the internet.
We can get through on the phone.
Well,
automated something or other.
It's not so bad. It's not. The banks have got systems together since they agreed, since they lost this court case. The banks have huge billion-pound departments waiting to pay this money out to people.
What if they drag up thieves? Here's Neil who said I've been missold and I got over £1,000, but I haven't received the money for over 3 months. Advice, please.
We're having a lot of problems with banks agreeing to pay out and then not paying out in time. It should be quicker than that. It's very difficult to enforce. Write back to them, and if it doesn't work quickly, then go to the financial ombudsman.
And how far back can we go again? So, well, we're talking what?
To be honest, you can go back as far as you like, and some people win a long time ago, but the official rule is active within the last 6 years. So as I said, you got a loan 10 years ago, you were still paying it off 5 years ago, it's now completely paid off, that counts as being active within the last 6 years. Then if you were missold payment protection insurance, which is likely if you got it through a bank, you can still claim back now. This is enormous amounts of money.
They might...
Yeah.
Sure, I've got one of those.
All right.
Bank has got me.
Well, some people don't even know who they're loans with.
Yeah, that would be me.
If you're in that scenario, the first thing, go to your credit reference agency, Equifax or Experian, print off your list, and it will list all the debts you've had in the last 6 years. So it'll remind you who your loan is. And then under the Data Protection Act, you have a right to go to your bank and say, I'm going to provide you with all details you have on me about that loan. It will cost you £10. It costs you up to £10, but then they must send those details through, and then you can reclaim. But let me just go back to 9 billion. That's not 9 billion, it's 9 billion. £9 billion, 9,000 million pounds, ready to pay this out.
Well, we've had a lot of people saying that they have done this and